This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to see Betterment results. First, log in to your Betterment account using your credentials. Once inside, look for the Activity or Performance tab, usually found on the main dashboard. Clicking this will take you to a summary of your investments, showing your overall portfolio growth and current returns. It's a great starting point to quickly grasp your financial standing. To dive deeper, explore your time-weighted and money-weighted returns, which offer different perspectives on your investment success. Betterment also allows you to compare your portfolio's performance against relevant benchmarks, helping you understand how well your investments are doing relative to the market. You can also analyze the progress of each individual goal and review your current asset allocation. For a comprehensive look, head to the Detailed Activity section. Here, you can view every transaction, including all your deposits, withdrawals, and any dividends received. You can also track when your portfolio was rebalanced and see all fee deductions. Betterment provides easy access to download statements, which are essential for tax purposes or simply for your personal record keeping. Finally, Betterment offers advanced insights like projected growth tools, which can help you visualize your financial future and plan accordingly. Don't forget to explore their educational resources, providing valuable information on various investment strategies to help you make informed decisions. Also, for more great financial insights, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.